My name's James Mercer. I'm the Facilities Manager or Data Centre Manager for DC2 and I look after all our data centre environments nationally. We are pleased to announce that we've recently achieved Uptime Institute Tier Certified Design Documents for our Bibra Lake facility, which encompasses both Stage 1 and Stage 2 of the build of the facility. We've assembled a team of mechanical and electrical engineers and architects that have experience in the data centre space, and particularly in Uptime Tier Certification of data centres. So they've built tier certified data centres before, both in Australia and overseas, and so they had lots of experience in pulling the design documents together. We need to present that to the Uptime Institute in a way that proves, well, it will be able to do in real life what we say it can do on paper. So the process for critical facility systems is the same, whether it's electrical or mechanical or communications, and that is that we need that concurrent maintainability through the system. So we need N+1, we need to have a spare of everything, or to be able to run the facility in a way that means we keep operating with a piece of the system removed or a piece of the system isolated for maintenance. So now we've achieved design for the facility, we get to finish building it. So the facility is currently operational. We'll retrofit some equipment to the building, we'll replace our gensets, bring some new chillers into play, and relocate some of the equipment within the facility. But we're not doing any of that until we've actually got an approved design from the Uptime Institute. And once we've built to the design, we can get the Uptime Institute to come out and inspect the facility, and then we can get the Tier Certified Constructed Facilities certification. So having ISO 27000 and Tier 3 certification is really important because we own the process end to end. So we're not a customer in another tier data center. We have the resilience of a tier data center, and then we have the security of a cloud environment that's ISO certified and VMware certified.